Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade asset allocation with BlackRock, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your asset allocation with BlackRock, begin by defining your investment goals. Consider your time horizon and risk tolerance. Next, log into your BlackRock account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Navigate to the investment section of the platform. Review your current asset allocation. Assess whether it aligns with your investment goals and risk profile. Research different asset classes such as equities, fixed income, and alternatives. Utilize BlackRock's tools and resources to analyze market trends and economic forecasts. Compare the performance of various funds and ETFs offered by BlackRock. Identify any adjustments needed to diversify your portfolio effectively. Once you've selected new investment options, review their prospectuses for detailed information. Determine how much to allocate to each selected asset. Consider using a model portfolio if you're unsure about creating your own allocation. After finalizing your decisions, place the trades through the BlackRock platform. Monitor your portfolio's performance regularly to ensure it meets your objectives. Reassess your asset allocation periodically to adapt to changing market conditions. Stay informed about economic news and trends that could impact your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.